Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 13 of the 2018 Nov-Dec core maths theory questions. We'll begin with question 13a. In the diagram, the angle TPQ is equal to 32 degrees and the line PQ is equal to the line QT, which is equal to the line TR. Calculate the angle TRS. So let's begin with our solution. So we know that this line is parallel to this line. So first, let's take triangle PTQ. So let's take triangle PQT. So it's actually supposed to be PTQ. Then this and this. So this angle is equal to this angle, but it has been turned. So we have this instead. And this are P, this are T, and this are Q. So this angle is equal to this angle. So 32, then here will also be 32. So we are saying that this angle is equal to this angle. So if here is 32, then here is 32. So same thing. If here is 32, then this side is also 32. Now we know that the sum of two opposite interior angles of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle. What we are saying is that this angle and this angle are opposite interior angle, and the sum of these two angles is equal to the exterior angle, which is this. In that case, the angle RQT, so angle RQT is equal to the sum of this and this. So it's equal to 32 plus 32, which is 64 degrees. So this angle is 64 degrees. But we need this angle. Angle TRS is this angle. So let's clean up the mess first. We know this angle is 64. We need this angle. So let's take triangle QTR. We know that QT, this line is parallel to this line. So this angle is the same as this angle. So angle QRT is also 64. So this is 64 and this is also 64. So we need this angle. Now we know that the sum of this angle and this angle should be 180. So we see that sum of angles on a straight line adds up to 180 degrees. So we can say that 64 plus angle TRS is equal to 180. So angle TRS will be equal to 180 minus 64. Angle TRS is equal to 116 degrees. This brings us to the end of question 13a. So we'll be moving on to question 13b. In the diagram, O is the center of the circle. The line TS is equal to the line SR. the angle TPR is equal to x degrees, and the angle TQR is equal to y degrees. The angle TOR is equal to z degrees, and the angle TSR is equal to 118 degrees. Find the relationship between x, y, and z, and II. Calculate. This should be find angle STP. So let's begin with our solution. So first, you know that from the center to any point on the circumference is the radius of the circle. So this is the radius of the circle. This is also the radius of the circle. And we know the radius of a circle does not change. So the length of this is equal to the length of this, which means that triangle PTO is an isosceles triangle. And this means that this side is also x. And we know that the sum of two opposite interior angles is equal to the exterior. And this is the exterior angle. This angle is the exterior angle. So the sum of this and this is equal to this. So we can say that this is x, this is also x. So x plus x is equal to z. So now let's clean everything up. This side is also x. Now we know that from circle theorem, angles at the circumference in the same segment are equal. And this angle is in the same segment as this angle. So we can say that x is equal to y. So we replace one x with y. So we have x plus y is equal to z. So this becomes the relationship between x, y, and z. So we know that z is equal to the sum of x and y. Now II says find the angle STP. So again, let's clean everything up. Now this is the angle STP. But before that, let's draw a line here and take this triangle STR. Now this line and this line. Now the angle between two chords is 90. So this angle here will be 90. So we need this angle to find the angle STP. So we can say that angle STP is equal to this angle, which is angle RTS, plus this angle, which is a 90 degrees. So plus 90 degrees. So quickly, let's find angle RTS. So let's take triangle RTS. So we have our S, our T, and our R. And ST is equal to SR. So this side is equal to this side. That means we have an isosceles triangle. And this angle here is 118. So if this triangle is an isosceles triangle, then it means this angle is equal to this angle. So let this angle be A. So here's A. Now we can say that since the sum of angles of a triangle adds up to 180, then A plus 118 should be equal to 180. So we have 2a plus 118 is equal to 180. Now when we group like terms, you have 2a is equal to 180 minus 118. Now 180 minus 118 will give us 62. So 2a is equal to 62. To find a, we divide here by 2, here by 2. 2 goes into 62 31 times. So our A is 31 degrees. So this side is 31 degrees and this side is also 31 degrees. But STP is the whole of this, which is 31 plus this 90 degrees. So angle STP is equal to RTS, which is 31 plus 90 degrees. And that is equal to 121 degrees. So we've come to the end of the 2018 Nov-Dec commerce theory questions.